limits. This was a great show. I truly, truly enjoyed it. I look forward to it again next year as well.
The show was wonderful. I had a wonderful time, and I'm looking forward to come back next year.
One on the angels' heads as they dance across the heavens.
Does he love me? Does he love me? Love me not. Am I trending? Am I trending? But
it was wonderful. She was wonderful. Everybody was amazing. And I definitely am coming back next year.
I had a good time. The music was good, and they were really good dancers.
Turn up, turn up, turn up, turn up to another level. We gon' give him all the praise, cause it ain't nobody better. Worship of my crew, we worship hard and keep it moving, but free from the institution. Scream and viva revolution.
It was awesome. I didn't make a dance like that for real though. So I was impressed.
This was the most awesome show that I have ever seen. It was so well coordinated, and the dances were, it just set my soul on fire. Thank you so much. I was so glad I was here.